We all have to deal with this situation if you are an iOS user. Whether you are using an iPhone or iPad, data loss is something that somehow happens with every one of us, and we don't have any control on this. So if your data is lost by any one of these, like updating your iPhone to the latest iOS, or during jailbreak, or if you have accidentally deleted some important images or messages, or during factory reset, or somehow your iPhone got damaged or lost, if any of these happen with you at any point of time, then definitely you shouldn't miss this video. Hello everyone, iFrontTech here, and today I'm going to show you all how to recover all your lost data from your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch using iMyFone DBAC data recovery tool. So watch this video till the end, as I will be giving information about 5 free 1-year license of iMyFone DBAC data recovery tool for both Windows and Mac users. iMyFone DBAC data recovery tool for your iOS device is one of the best tools to fix all the problems related to your data loss. iMyFone DBAC tool can recover your lost or deleted data in different scenarios, based on which you need to choose different recovery modes. I recommend you that you download the free trial version to see whether your lost data can be recovered or not. With the trial version, you can only preview the lost data, but when you get the paid version, you can preview, recover and save the lost data to your Mac or Windows system. And the best part is, it is available for both Windows and Mac users. Here you can see different scenarios of data lost supported by iMyFone DBAC tool. Now there are 4 different recovery modes to recover your lost data, like Smart Recovery, Recover from iOS device, Recover from iTunes Backup, and the last one, Recover from iCloud Backup. Here you can see all the iOS devices and the data types supported by iMyFone DBAC tool. Let's come to the tool now. Once you download the iMyFone DBAC data recovery tool, you will see an interface like this. All the 4 recovery modes are available on the left side. You can choose your recovery mode according to your data and how you want to restore it. For this video, I will use the option Recover from iOS device on my iPhone 5s, just to show that this tool works perfectly fine even with your older devices like my iPhone 5s. So to start with the process, select Recover from iOS device and then click on the Start. As we click on the Start, it will ask you to connect your device. Once your device is connected, it will display its model number and name. After that, you have to just click on the Next button. Pretty simple so far. After that, it will ask you to select the data types you want to restore. You can select this according to your requirement, which all data types you want to recover. I have selected Contacts, WhatsApp and Photos data types to recover. After that, you have to just click on the Scan button. The tool will start scanning your device, and it will take time according to the size of the data type you want to restore. So sit back and relax and let the tool do all the work for you. I'll fast forward the video so that you can see the complete process. Once the scanning is completed, it will show you the recovered data in the left side. You can see all my contacts, WhatsApp chats and photos are here. Now you can select again if you want to change the data to be recovered. Now click on the Recover button to start the recovering process and let the process complete. To see the recovered data, as I have used my Windows system, You have to go to C drive, then users, and then you have to follow these steps. Go to document, and here you will find a folder with the name iMyFone debug, and here you will see all the recovered data which you can now transfer to your iPhone or iPad via iTunes. In the same way, you can try other recovery methods as well and recover all your deleted and lost data of your iOS device. As I told you in the beginning of the video, I will be giving 5 1-year free license of iMyFone debug data recovery tool to 5 of you, and the steps to participate in the giveaway are very simple and you can find those in the description box. And the giveaway is available for both Windows and Mac users, so don't miss this one. So that's it in this video. I hope you liked this video and find it useful, and if you do so, do like the video, share the video with your friends, and just give a subscribe to the channel, as there is a lot more to come from the world of Apple and everything around. You can also follow me on Instagram /iFriendTech for daily tech bites. My name is Farhan, this is iFriendTech, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and stay at home.